Hey everybody, another Mastermind moment. This is week 3 of the 6 weeks Mastermind course. This week we're talking about rocking the client. You might have noticed that I did not release this video yesterday, which is Wednesday, which is what I said I was going to do. I don't know if you noticed, but your clients will notice if you do not do what you say you're going to do. And so this is what you do. You just put on your smile and you apologize. You make lemonade. That is the easiest way to rock your client, is to make lemonade when lemons happen, which lemons always happen. So you just say, I'm so sorry that I forgot to do this. How can I help you now? Watch, you can even hear it in my voice if you're on the phone. I am so sorry. How can I help you? Right? So I'm sorry that I didn't do what I said I was going to do. I got busy and there's no excuse. Now we're going to talk about rocking your client. So rocking a client means just doing things that a normal person would do, right? Treat them like they're your friends. Have them treat you like you're their friends. I know some people who take this to a degree that's a little bit over the top. They'll actually go in through the garage into the house because that's how their friends would go into somebody's house, right? You ask to talk to them at the kitchen table, which is where they have their friends. You can get a little bit stalky with this, so don't go over the top. Just like anything else, it's everything in moderation. But remember to always make lemonade. Don't be afraid to admit mistakes. Don't be afraid to say, I'm sorry. And do it with a smile. It makes people forgive you. It's so easy to forgive people when they're nice. So please do take that into your work week with you. And I hope that you've been keeping track of the home chem stuff, because that's the other way to rock your client, is to know more than everybody else in your local market, which is easy to do if you keep track of all of the videos that are coming out on this channel. So make sure you're subscribed, comment to this, participate. Tune in next time.